distinguished dignitaries on the dais, respected judges of the competition, principals of the sister institutions, all the invitees, a very warm and a pleasant greetings on this morning. It is with immense pride and honor that Dayanand Education Society's Dayanand College of Law welcomes you all to the national level Moot Court Competition 2026. Moot Court is not merely a competition. It is the closest academic experience to the real courtroom. It transforms the legal theory into practice, research into reasoning, and learning into advocacy. Here, statutes are not just read but interpreted. Precedents are not memorized but applied, and the arguments are not spoken but crafted with responsibility. Dayanand College of Law has organized this prestigious national level Moot Court competition with the aim to nurture the professionalism, develop research aptitude, refine oral advocacy, and instill values of fairness and constitutional morality among the budding lawyers. We are highly privileged that this academic celebration of advocacy is being inaugurated by our esteemed chief guest, Honorable Justice Shri Shaileshji Brahme Sir, Judge, Bombay High Court, and in the presence of our honorable patrons of the institute, members of the bar, alumni, principals of the other institutions, and aspiring students. On behalf of Dayanand Education Society, Dayanand College of Law, Latur, myself, Dr. Shubhangi Panchal, feel privileged and honored to extend our warm welcome to our distinguished chief guest, Honorable Justice Shri Brahme Sir. Sir, my lord, your gracious presence on this occasion has truly elevated the dignity and prestige of this program. We extend our respectful welcome also to Mrs. Brahme Madam for her kind gestures of graciously being present for this occasion. I extend my welcome to Honorable Advocate Shri Ashishji Bajpai Sir, who is the member of Dayanand Education Society and the guardian member of Dayanand College of Law. I also welcome Advocate Shri Shrikantji Udge Sir, Assistant Secretary of Dayanand Education Society. Welcome, sir. I welcome CA Shri Bora Sir, Treasurer of Dayanand Education Society for this occasion. And I welcome all the respected members for this August gathering. To invoke the positivity and warmth into the atmosphere and give a melodious start to this particular inauguration, we now invite our students to present the welcome song.
स्वागतं स्वागतं की वीणा से गूंजित ध्वनि मंगलम, मन की वीणा से गूंजित ध्वनि मंगलम। स्वागतं 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 स्वागतं। सारे ग मग मगरे मग मगरे नि सारे गरे गरे सा गरे गरे सा सारे ग मग मगरे मग मगरे नि सारे गरे गरे सा गरे गरे सा। कैसा पावन सुहावन समय आज है, आप आए अतिथियों में सरताज है। कैसा पावन सुहावन समय आज है, आप आए अतिथियों में सरताज है। देव की भांति की भांति पूजन करे आज हम। स्वागतम 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 स्वागतम। सारे ग मग रे सारे गरे गरे सा मन की बगिया से हमने कलियां चुनी, श्रद्धा के फूलों से हमने माला बुनी। मन की बगिया से हमने कलियां चुनी, श्रद्धा के फूलों से हमने माला बुनी। करते हैं मिल के अर्पित सुमन आज हम, करते हैं मिल के अर्पित सुमन आज हम। स्वागतम 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 स्वागतम।
Thank you, dear students, for a soothing and a harmonious melody to start with the program. Knowledge is light and justice is its highest expression. To illuminate this occasion with the light of justice and learning, we now proceed with the ceremonial lighting of the lamp. I invite our chief guest and the dignitaries to please come forward for lighting of ceremonial lamp. May I request to please give a round of applause for the illustrious beginning of this program. May this light guide every argument towards truth and fairness and inspire the young minds. Thank you, my lord, and all the dignitaries. Today, this auditorium has become a forum of ideas, a training ground for the future advocates, and a platform where young legal minds have gathered to test their knowledge, ethics, articulation, and courtroom discipline. I now invite the convener of this event and principal, Dr. Poonam Nathani Madam, to please deliver her welcome address.
Respected chief guest of today's program, Honorable Justice Shri Shailesh Ji Brahme sir, Mrs. Brahme Madam, esteemed members of Dayanand Education Society, Advocate Bajpayee sir, Advocate Shri Kanji Udge sir, Advocate Bora sir, panel judges which have been invited to judge the participants, Honorable R.Y. Sheikh sir, Advocate Chapalgaonkar sir, Dr. Bhavna Madam, principals of our sister institutions, President of Bar Association, Advocate Jagtap sir, who has come on our invitation, and all my beloved students and participants. It is really a moment of immense pride for Dayanand Education Society and Dayanand College of Law to host this prestigious event. On this event, I extend my warm welcome to one and all present over here. Despite the challenges we face due to being in the backward region of Latur, with limited connectivity, limited facilities of train and bus connectivity, absence of tourist attraction nearby places, but still we remain determined to organize national level programs. So on 31st January, we organized national level seminar on the well-being of students. Now again, national level competition is being arranged. In coming days also, we are planning to have national level workshop on the forensic evidence and the competition on drafting also. Though we may be getting less response for the northern states, but still we are committed to we are committed, which keeps us moving for conducting these type of activities. At the very outset, I want to extend my heartfelt gratitude to Lordship for giving your precious time for our students. Sir, from your busy schedule, you have come, and special thanks to Madam who has come to Latur. First time they are visiting to our place. You are most welcome to Latur, ma'am. Heartfelt gratitude I express to Sir for giving his precious time. And really, truly, we are honored to receive you, Sir, in person. Sir is a shining example of dedication, hard work, and sincerity. His remarkable journey to become High Court Justice is really an example of unwavering commitment to justice to legal profession. His Lordship's tireless efforts and passion for delivering the justice have earned him immense respect in the legal fraternity. We are really honored to receive him in person. I request all the participants to please give big round of applause to Sir for joining us today in this seminar. My special thanks to management also, who is constantly beside me, and they are motivating us to conduct this type of activities. And special thanks to all the teaching and non-teaching staff coordinators of this program. Actually, I want to appreciate their efforts. Professor Shetty sir, Dr. Patan sir, and his entire team, and all the staff members for giving their contribution in making this event success. Actually, college, sir, we take pride to share that our contribution is good in judiciary, and number of students, they are cracking the judicial exams, and many are aspirants also for upcoming examinations. And even our student, pass out student, alumnus has reached to Supreme Court of India. It is really great pride for us. We are also focusing, I was telling to sir that our students are contributing good in bar and bench, but sir, now we want to focus on the placements in corporate sector also. Though it is good thing they are in bar and bench, but sir, still we are lagging in corporate sector. New opportunities we are searching for them. Our placement center has started one new initiative here with SP sir, with Commissioner and Judiciary. We are trying to contact that our students should get internship to their offices in police station also. At least for one month during vacation time, sir, if they are getting first-hand information, they can collect and have the knowledge. That it is in pipeline, sir. We are trying to do that. So we are also trying to have the collaboration with the corporate sector. Moot court plays also very pivotal role, sir. Special classes are given to the students. Beyond their curriculum, we are trying to give them. BLLB first, second, third year students, sir, they don't have moot court. But from the first year onwards, we have given them extra classes for orienting them how to moot, how to draft, how to make, have the development of the presentation skills. Extra efforts we are taking, sir, to make or to bring them to the market, actually what the need is of the global market. We are also engaged in academic services, community services, legal aid clinic. It is proactively engaging in the services we are rendering to nearby villages. Sir, again I take pride to say that last year around 40 villages they covered to have the awareness about the social legal issues. So sir, continuously efforts are being taken. Human Right Education Center is there, and as Bajpayee sir has initiated one new this multidisciplinary approach, and special banking laws, that course is being given to the students. They should get the knowledge of that. Our sincere efforts are being taken, sir. We see in the upcoming days we'll be getting good fruit of that. And special thank to my beloved students, because I always feel the strength of Dayanand Education Society and Dayanand College of Law is our students only. My special thanks to students. They are really the true strength of our institution, for their enthusiasm, for their responsiveness, for their participation. And together we are building a future of impactful legal profession. So once again, I'm thankful to each and everyone. Special thank to all the principals of our sister institution for participating in this program. And hope we will be having very good time in this moot court competition. Thank you.
Thank you very much, ma'am, for a very warm welcome and a crisp introduction of our college also, glimpse given to our esteemed guest. Now we would go further for doing the honors. And firstly, I will be requesting Principal Dr. Poonam Madam to please felicitate Honorable Advocate Shri Ashish Bajpai sir. And I would also like to request Honorable Advocate sir to please accept the chairpersonship of this particular program. I now request our chairperson sir, Advocate Shri Bajpai sir, to please felicitate all the. I request all the management members to together will be felicitating and express our respect towards our esteemed guest, Honorable Shri Shailesh Brahme sir, Judge, High Court of Bombay. Please give a big round of applause. Thank you, sir, for accepting our greetings. Thank you very much. I request Advocate Shri Shrikantji Udge sir, Assistant Secretary, Dayanand Education Society, to please felicitate Mrs. Brahme Madam. I request all the members to please join together. Thank you. We would now doing the honors of the judges, the faculty members, the practitioners who are the judges of today's competition. First, I would like to invite Shri R.Y. Sheikh sir, retired Principal District Judge, to please accept the felicitation. May I request our chief guest, Honorable Brahme sir, to please do the honor. I invite Advocate Shailesh Chapalgaonkar sir, Advocate High Court of Bombay, bench at Sambhajinagar. Please come forward to accept the felicitation. Sir, we request you to please felicitate. It is indeed an honor to be felicitated by your auspicious hand, sir. Please give a round of applause. I invite Dr. Bhavna Kadu Madam, Assistant Professor, MIT Law School, ADT University, Pune, to please come forward and accept the felicitation. We really accept our special thanks to all the three judges, because today whole day they are be conducting this competition. Thank you very much. Thank you.
So here one announcement I want to make in the memory of Advocate Ajay Bharatlal Bajpai sir. Sir has announced 11,000 prize for the first winner of this Moot Court competition. The special cash prize will be given to them.
To introduce the spirit and structure of this prestigious competition, I invite Advocate R.R. Shetty sir, organizing secretary of this event, to deliver the introductory address.
Chief guest, Honorable Justice Shailesh Brahme sir, respected Madam Mrs. Brahme, Honorable Advocate Shrikantji Udge sir, Assistant Secretary, Dayanand Education Society, Honorable Ashish Ji Bajpai sir, CDC member and the mentor of the college, Honorable Sanjay Ji Bora sir, Treasurer, Dayanand Education Society, all the panel judges, R.Y. Sheikh sir, Shailesh Chapalgaonkar sir, and Dr. Bhavna madam from Pune. Dr. P.P. Nathani, Principal, Dayanand College of Law, Latur, respected principals of affiliated colleges, faculty members, alumni association members, competing team members, and my dear students, a very good morning to you all. It gives me great pleasure to welcome you to the Dayanand Law National Moot Court Competition 2026, a platform that celebrates advocacy, legal research, and the art of courtroom persuasion. This competition has been conceived with the objective of nurturing young legal minds by exposing them to the complex legal problems that mirror real-world litigation before constitutional and civil courts. Before we move to this year's Moot proposition, it is important to acknowledge the success of last year's Moot Court competition, which witnessed enthusiastic participation from institutions across the country. The rounds were marked by rigorous arguments, insightful judicial interventions, and exceptionally high standard of memorials and advocacy. The overwhelming response and positive feedback from judges, participants, and academicians encourage us to return this year with an even more challenging and thought-provoking proposition. Coming to this year's Moot proposition, the problem places the participants before the High Court of Aravali, exercising its original civil jurisdiction, and revolves around a high stakes of inheritance dispute following the sudden death of prominent industrialist, late Mr. Sanjeev Khanna. At the heart of the dispute, it is the purported will dated 21st March 2025, which bequeaths the entire personal estate of the deceased to his widow, while excluding his children from an earlier marriage and even his aged mother. The will is alleged to be forged and fabricated, giving rise to the serious question of valid execution, proof, forgery, undue influence, and criminal consequences. The proposition further raises contemporary and critical issues such as the proof of wills under succession and evidence law, the role of sealed covers, confidentiality, and NDAs in civil proceedings, interim relief for preservation of assets, and the legal consequences of intestacy if the will is set aside. This Moot proposition is deliberately designed to test participants not only on black letter law, but also on the principles of equity, judicial discretion, procedural safeguards, and the balance between transparency and privacy in high-profile litigation. We are confident that the issues framed will generate compelling arguments from both the sides and provide a rich learning experience for all involved. We wish all the participating teams from all over the states and beyond the very best and look forward to the witnessing engaging courtroom advocacy. Welcome once again. Thank you.
Thank you, sir, for outlining the vision and the purpose of this competition. The real strength of our successful endeavors lies in the dedicated management, whose vision, leadership, and support has really built a student-centric atmosphere, a learning experience for all the students in our college. So on this occasion, I respectfully invite Advocate Shri Bajpai sir, member of the Dayanand Education Society and our mentor of the Law College, to please give his greetings on this August gathering. So please.
मराठी न समजणारे किती आहेत? हात वर करा फक्त. का ते सुद्धा समजत नाही? मराठी न समजणाऱ्याला हे पण समजणार नाही. सो ओके. रिस्पेक्टेड चीफ गेस्ट, ऑनरेबल लॉर्डशिप जस्टिस शैलेश ब्रह्मे सर, dignitaries on the dais, dignitaries of the dais, it is my proud privilege to be chairman of today's function because of the support from management. Because due to management support, we could successfully organize this event also. And I know that how much pains, how much efforts are required to organize such an event. And students of law, really, we were not having such facilities when we were students in law college. The first Moot Court conference which was arranged when I was third year student, that was at Sambhajinagar, and by father of Lordship Gangapurwala sir. Then he had organized first Moot Court competition, and we visited and not participated. We simply visited that Moot Court, and due to insistence of our then principal, Nakade sir. So later on I realized the importance of such Moot Court, and now I am sure that whatever has been introduced in third year Moot Court, it should be started from first year. कारण मराठीत म्हणतात ना, बोलणाऱ्याचं सगळं काही विकलं जातं आहे आणि आपला भांडवलच काय आहे? वकिलाचं भांडवल म्हणजे काय? बोलायचं. आणि बोलवून नुसतं बोलायचंच नाही, त्या समोरच्याला पटवून सांगून मी कसा खरा आहे किंवा माझी केस कशी खरी आहे. केस काही का असेना, कारण माझाच नाही सगळ्यांचाच अनुभव असेल. कारण केस जर खालच्या कोर्टाने जर योग्य निर्णय दिला असेल तर वरचं कोर्टाकडे जायची गरजच नाही. कारण निकाल जो बदलले जातात शेवटपर्यंत, याची गरज काय आहे? कारण कन्व्हिन्सिंग पॉवर ही प्रत्येकाची वेगवेगळी असते आणि फॅक्टचं ॲनालिसिस प्रत्येकाचं वेगवेगळं असतं. त्यामुळं आपण जे काही इथं करताय म्हणजे करणार आहात, कारण मी आज ब्रह्मे सरांचे विचार ऐकायला आपण सगळे आलात आणि मी काही जास्त इथं आपल्यासमोर थांबत नाही. फक्त एवढीच अपेक्षा करतो की यापुढे याच्यापेक्षाही चांगल्या मूट कोर्ट कॉम्पिटिशन्स आपल्याकडे होतील आणि त्याच्यासाठी आपण जास्तीत जास्त कुठं आपण कमी पडलेलो आहे त्याचा प्रयत्न करू, त्या अडीअडचणी दूर करू. आणि मॅडमने सांगितलं आपलं स्टेशन हे रिमोट आहे, तिथं ॲक्सेस नाही, काही नाही. आपण काय काय नाविन्यपूर्ण काय करता येईल लातूरला ते सगळं करू, कारण लातूर पॅटर्न हे सगळीकडे जायलाच पाहिजे. एवढंच मी बोलतो आणि धन्यवाद.
धन्यवाद सर. आपले खरंच उद्गार हे अगदी इन्स्पायरिंग, मोटिवेटिंग होतेच आणि नक्की कायद्याच्या शिक्षणातही आपण लातूर पॅटर्न गाजवूयात, हे मात्र आपल्या गायडन्समध्ये नक्कीच आपण करूयात. For the students of law, the court is a place of learning, but the judgments delivered from the bench becomes the lessons that shape the very understanding of justice. The opportunity to listening to a sitting judge is therefore not merely an honor, but an academic privilege. one that carries expertise and experience, and that inspires the young advocates to think beyond the statutes and argue with responsibility. Before we invite our esteemed chief guest to address the gathering, it is my proud privilege to briefly acquaint the gathering with the distinguished personality among us today. Honorable Justice Sri Shailesh Brahme, Judge, High Court of Bombay, is widely respected for his clarity of reasoning, balanced judicial approach, and commitment to the principles of justice. Through his remarkable service in the judiciary, my Lord has contributed significantly to the development of legal thought and the administration of justice. His Lordship's presence today is truly inspiring for all the budding advocates who aspire to hold the dignity and responsibility of the legal profession. We are deeply honored by the dignified presence of my Lord. And now I respectfully and humbly invite Honorable Justice Sri Shailesh P. Brahme sir to kindly deliver the keynote address and enlighten us with your Lordship's guidance. Sir, आम्ही सर्वच इथे जण आपल्याला ऐकण्यासाठी खूपच उत्सुक आहोत. Sir, please.
Madam Dr. Nathani just expressed that there is a backwardness of the region. But when I see the progress made by this law college, this institution, I don't see any backwardness. You are quite ahead of time, you are forward, and our children will achieve high echelons. The dignitaries on the dais, Advocate Mr. Srikantji Udge, Assistant Secretary, Sri Ashishji Bajpai, Member, Mr. Bora, Treasurer, Principal, Dr. Mrs. Nathani, the organizing committee, practicing lawyers, teachers, and the students, participant students and the students of the law college. It is my immense pleasure to be with you, and I am quite overwhelmed by the hospitality shown by the management, by you all people expressing on the occasion of my birthday. That is coincidence. But I feel that now presently I am a sitting judge, but I owe some duty towards the law colleges, towards the students, towards the teachers, to be present for these occasions, to share my thoughts, to inspire you, to encourage you. I owe something to the society. Therefore, when I was asked whether it is possible by my Elder Justice Mangesh Patil, I promptly agreed, and I always love to be with the students and the law teachers. Today I am informed that 15 teams are participating, and since morning the competition has already commenced. It is halfway through. Therefore I will be very brief. I don't want to stand in between the competition and you. It's a hectic day today for you. But I was a practicing lawyer for near about 27 to 28 years. Therefore, I want to share something with you. Now, very soon, you will be passing out, you will be graduating yourself, and you will be entering profession. Many of you will join bar. Many of you are aspiring for joining judicial services. You may go to corporate sector also. Therefore, this is right time to share something with you. This courtroom advocacy is a performing art. It is like music, rendition of vocal, classical, like drama, and or the dance for that purpose. it requires skill which can be achieved by the passage of time. You cannot achieve it within day or two. It will take some time. But this is time to begin with. This is proper occasion. And you may go to any field. You may enter the judicial services, or you may enter in the conventional practice. This skill is required. And for that purpose, basically, I feel that students must have the virtues of observing the things, the virtues of learning everything. Then other things are there. You should read good books, work hard, acquire forensic science knowledge. That you know all that. That is, I don't want to repeat that. But these are the things which need to be inculcated at this stage. One more virtue I want to emphasize upon, that is discipline. This is proper time to begin with, to start with this virtue. This is extremely useful, and for that purpose you will have to be guru of yourself. Nobody will help you. You may get good senior, mentor in future life, but for discipline you have to be guru of yourself. When you start your career, you get ample time, because if you are practicing lawyer, you may not get that much work at the beginning stages. You can practice this discipline that time, but after passage of time, you will find that you will be busy with your work, your profession, or your services. You can hardly get time for this. But a time will come after you cross 40 or 45 that you will get time, you can develop this habit of discipline, and that will assure to the future success, that will help you to achieve your goals and ambitions. Therefore, this is right time to start with discipline. This moot court competition is a magnificent platform for the young lawyers, for the budding lawyers. You can exhibit your forensic skills, you can exhibit your knowledge, and this moot court is a bridge in between the classrooms and the bar room. Therefore, I congratulate to those students who are participating in it, those who are attending the moot court competitions, and over and above the organizing committee and the managing committee who has organized this moot court competition. And it is extreme. I am very gladful that I am here. The judges are here to inspire you, to encourage you on this occasion. From here, many 15 teams are participating. Many of you are attending the program entire day. Nobody will go empty. Those who will succeed, they will carry with them the confidence. Those who do not succeed, they will carry with them very virtuous thing, experience. See, practice and the career and entire life is not just victories or not just defeats. हार और जीत का वो खेल है. Neither the defeat is continuous nor the victory is continuous. You have to face both. Celebrating victory is very easy thing, but digesting defeat is very difficult. You should be prepared for that. This is right time. Even if you do not succeed in the competition, remember that these are if you fail, then failure is the seeds which will make you to prosper in the future, to achieve the goal which you could not achieve right now. We always say that who is a good lawyer? Good lawyer is not recognized by his victories or his winning of the cases. A good lawyer is a person who remains calm and composed in adverse circumstances, in his defeats. He does not lose his cool. He does not criticize others. He does not criticize his colleagues, opponents, or the judges. Therefore, remember that these are the virtues you will have to acquire. Because hereinafter, you are entering in such a field that there are lot of challenges. Lot of adverse circumstances you will be facing. There is a saturation, number of law colleges are there. Students, thousands of students are getting passed out. Then under these circumstances, you must have some such an extraordinary skill or the capacity to acquire that. The journey is difficult, but don't be despised. Life is very beautiful. Life gives you opportunities. Keep hope. Try. You will succeed one day. You will get many opportunities. New avenues are being opened. And for this, in this occasion, I remember beautiful words of Dr. Justice Dhananjay Chandrachud. He said that he was addressing the students, and during that time he said that your student's life, you are young, you have energy. That is tremendous power you have to overcome all the adversities. Enjoy life like anything. Because life is too small to be taken it seriously. But work, your career, your profession, that is to be taken seriously. And on this occasion, I wish all the success to all the students who are participating, who are attending Moot Court competition. And lastly, I just want to say only one thing, that always remember, there is a room at the top. And with this, I hereby declare that today's competition stands inaugurated retrospectively, because it started in the morning. Thank you very much. All the best.
We are highly obliged, my Lord, for your insightful pearls of wisdom and the thought-provoking guidance. Your guidance will certainly resonate with every participant who has participated and every student present in this particular hall, and every participant who is stepping towards the advocacy. This guidance will not only be here, but also guide them beyond throughout their life. Thank you once again. As we approach to the conclusion of this inauguration ceremony, I invite Advocate Mustafa Pathan to please place on record our gratitude to our eminent guests.
Honorable Justice Sri Shailesh Brahme Sir, Judge, Bombay High Court, all the respected members of the Dayanand Education Society, learned adjudicators of the competition, beloved principal, distinguished dignitaries, outstanding participants, and my dear friends. It is with immense honor I stand before this august gathering to express my heartfelt gratitude of this remarkable occasion of inaugural ceremony of Dayanand Law National Level Moot Court Competition 2026. At the very outset, I extend my heartfelt appreciation and profound respect to our chief guest, Honorable Justice Sri Shailesh Brahme Sir. Your Lordship, your illustrious presence today elevates the sanctity of this occasion. Your wisdom, judicial acumen, and unwavering commitment to justice inspire every aspiring legal mind in this hall. We are indeed privileged to be graced by your august presence. I extend my sincere gratitude to all the esteemed members of the Dayanand Education Society, whose visionary leadership, unwavering support have provided foundation upon which the institution like ours thrive. Their patronage has been the instrumental in shaping this competition into a grand confluence of intellect, advocacy, and legal prowess. I would be remiss if I did not extend my heartfelt appreciation to our respected principal, Dr. Poonam Nathani ma'am, a beacon of dedication and an epitome of perseverance. Ma'am, your unwavering commitment, tireless efforts, and steadfast belief in academic excellence have been the driving force behind this competition. A special and heartfelt acknowledgement to the distinguished adjudicators who have traveled from different corners of Maharashtra to preside over this competition. Your presence, wisdom, and fairness enrich the experience for our participants, transforming this event into a profound learning platform. To the participating teams who have traveled from across India, I extend my warmest appreciation. Your passion for mooting, your dedication for legal research, and your commitment to advocacy bring life to this competition. Each one of you is a torchbearer of legal profession, and we are privileged to witness your skill unfold in this grand arena of intellect. No event of this magnitude can succeed without the meticulous planning and tireless efforts of our teacher coordinators, whose dedication has been backbone of this competition. To the non-teaching staff who have worked behind the scene with unwavering commitment, and to our student volunteers whose enthusiasm and discipline ensure the smooth conduct of this event, I owe a debt of gratitude. Lastly, but most importantly, to all the students present here today, this competition is not just a contest, it is a celebration of advocacy, an opportunity for learning, and a stage for the future guardian of justice. May this experience inspire you to delve deeper into the nuances of law, refine your arguments, and carry forward the sacred duty of upholding the justice. With heart full of gratitude and deep reverence, I once again thank each and every one of you for making this event a true success. Thank you.
Thank you, Advocate Pathan sir, coordinator of this event, for expressing our gratitude. We wish all participants the very best as they demonstrate advocacy, research, and courtroom etiquette to the highest order. May this platform sharpen your intellect, strengthen your ethics, and prepare your responsibilities for the bar. We really wish everyone a meaningful experience of this occasion. My Lord, with your permission, may we grab this opportunity to have a photo session, because all the participants will, after this program, all the participants will be wanting one. National. Yes. Thank you, sir. We'll be continuing with the photo session after the national anthem. I request everyone to please stand up for the national anthem. We'll be starting with the national anthem. Please join us. Jana Gana Mana Adhinayak Jaya He Bharat Bhagya Vidhata Punjab Sindh Gujarat Maratha Dravida Utkal Banga Vindhya Himachal Yamuna Ganga Uchchal Jaladhi Taranga तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मागे गाये तव जय गाथा जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे जय. Next, I request the faculty members to please be ready. All the other students are requested to please join the Moot Court Hall. The competition will be continued there. Faculty members, please come forward.
Principals of all the colleges.
So lastly and more importantly, the volunteers behind this program. I invite all the volunteers to quickly run here to take a photo. Please come. Sir, they deserve this special photo. Thank you, sir, for your kind gesture.
मागे जाओ ना तुम्ही मागे जाओ पिछे जाओ पुढे बसा वाटलंस
चेयर सर, वहाँ पे चेयर खाली है, आप जाइए जल्दी. इधर बसो. पलीकडे पण जागा आहे, पलीकडे जावा, पलीकडे.